When it comes to cooking, having the right tools can make all the difference. This Tramontina Seattle Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 10-inch frying pan is one such kitchen essential. Crafted with precision, this skillet offers durability, versatility, and professional-grade performance that caters to both home cooks and culinary experts. Below, we'll dive into its features, benefits, and why it stands out as a must-have in every kitchen. Why choose Tramontina Seattle Frying Pan? 1. Durability you can trust. Made with premium stainless steel and aluminum for lasting reliability. 2. Professional-grade cooking. Perfect heat distribution ensures perfect results. 3. User-friendly design. From ergonomic handles to dishwasher-safe convenience. 4. Versatile and reliable. Works on all cooktops and oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. 5. Certified excellence. NSF certified for safety and performance. Is your frying pan limiting your culinary potential? Discover why this skillet could be the upgrade you've been searching for. Unmatched construction and design. The Tramontina Seattle frying pan is built using Tri-Ply Clad construction, combining an aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of durable 1810 stainless steel. This innovative design ensures precise heat distribution across the entire surface, eliminating hot spots and enhancing cooking performance. Whether you're searing steak, frying eggs, or preparing delicate sauces, the even heating provides consistent results every time. Imagine perfectly cooked meals without burnt spots. This pan delivers that every time. Perfect size for everyday cooking. At 10 inches, this pan strikes the ideal balance between versatility and capacity. It's the perfect size for making omelets, sautéing vegetables, or whipping up larger meals for family gatherings. Its induction-ready design ensures compatibility with all cooktops, including gas, electric, and induction. Additionally, it is oven-safe up to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, making it suitable for recipes that require stovetop-to-oven transitions. Comfortable and ergonomic handling. One of the standout features of this skillet is its ergonomic, riveted stainless steel handle. It provides a secure and comfortable grip, allowing for better control while cooking. Whether you're flipping pancakes or transferring your dish to the oven, this handle ensures safety and ease. A secure grip that feels just right. Experience comfort in every meal prep session. Professional standards for home kitchens. This frying pan is NSF certified, meaning it meets the high safety and performance standards required in professional kitchens. For home cooks, this translates to restaurant-quality cookware that's also dishwasher-safe, ensuring effortless cleaning after use. Lifetime warranty. Peace of mind for years to come. Crafted in Brazil, the Tramontina Seattle frying pan comes with a lifetime warranty, reflecting its exceptional quality and durability. Whether you're a novice or a seasoned chef, this pan is designed to be a long-term companion in your kitchen adventures. Conclusion. An investment worth every penny. The Tramontina Seattle Tri-Ply Clad stainless steel 10-inch frying pan is not just a kitchen tool. It's an investment in better cooking experiences. Its premium construction, professional-grade performance, and user-friendly design make it a standout choice for anyone looking to upgrade their cookware. With its lifetime warranty, this skillet offers unparalleled value for years to come. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.